Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of class first year, Assalamu alaikum. Now we have unit number 1, complex numbers, exercise 1.1, question number 10. Evaluate the value of iota raised to power 18 plus 1 by iota whole raised to power 25 and then whole power 3. First, writing iota raised to power 18 as iota square whole power 9, 9 2s are 18. And writing 1 by iota whole raised to power 25 as 1 by iota into 1 by iota whole power 24. Then whole power 3. Iota square, as we know, that equals to minus 1. So minus 1 raised to power 9. Plus 1 by iota. Rationalize it by multiplying and dividing conjugate of iota, which is minus iota. So minus iota, multiplying and dividing. For 1 whole raised to power 24, we will write 1 by iota square whole raised to power 24, because whole raised to power 12. 12 into 2 gives 24. Then again whole power 3. Minus 1 raised to power 9 gives minus 1. 1 into iota gives minus iota. Iota into minus iota gives minus iota square. Here iota square is minus 1. Minus 1 whole power 12 gives plus 1. And here iota square minus 1. So we have minus 1, minus minus plus, minus iota into plus minus iota. So we have minus 1 minus iota whole cube. Now by using formula a plus b whole cube, we have a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Here a is minus 1 and b is minus iota. So minus 1 whole cube plus minus iota whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 square into minus iota plus 3 into minus 1 into minus iota square. Minus 1 whole cube gives minus 1. Minus iota cube gives minus iota whole cube gives minus iota cube. Here 3 into minus 1 square, 3 into minus iota, minus 3 iota. And here we have minus 3 iota square. Writing iota cube as iota into iota square, and here putting iota square minus 1. So we have minus 1 into minus 1 minus iota into iota square minus 3 iota minus 3 into minus 1, which gives minus 1. The value of iota square is minus 1 minus minus plus iota minus 3 iota minus minus plus 3. Now adding real number with real, we have 3 minus 1 2, and imaginary number with imaginary, we have minus 3 iota plus iota gives minus 2 iota, which is required answer of question number 10. Now question number 11 is, let z1 is equal to 2 minus iota, z2 equals to minus 2 plus iota. Find, part first, real part of z1 z2 divided by z1 bar. This RE represent real part, means after simplification of this fraction, we have to tell only real part. Okay, first finding z1 z2, putting value of z1 and z2, multiplying them. We have first multiplying 2 with minus 2 plus iota, then multiplying minus iota with minus 2 plus iota. We have minus 3 plus 4 iota. Then taking for denominator z1 conjugate, which is equals to, now z1 is 2 minus iota, so z1 conjugate is 2 plus iota. So this z1 z2 whole divided by z1 bar is equals to, putting value of z1 z2, that is minus 3 plus 4 iota, and putting value of z1 conjugate, that is 2 plus iota. Now further to simplify it, multiplying and dividing by the conjugate of 2 plus iota, which is 2 minus iota. So we have minus 3 into 2 minus iota, minus 6 plus 3 iota, 4 iota into 2 minus iota, 8 iota minus 4 iota square. For denominator a plus b, a minus b formula, which is equals to a square minus b square. So we have for numerator, after simplification, minus 2 plus 11 iota, and for denominator we have 4 plus 1, that is 5. Dividing separately, we have minus 2 by 5 plus 11 by 5 iota. Thus, real part of z1 by z2 whole divided by z1 bar is equals to, putting its value, which is minus 2 by 5 plus 11 by 5 iota. So as we know that real part is minus 2 by 5. So required answer is minus 2 by 5. Second part of question number 11 is find imaginary part of 1 divided by z1 into z1 conjugate. Putting value of z1 and z1 conjugate, we have z1 is 2, value of z1 is 2 minus iota. So the value of z1 conjugate is 2 plus iota. Now we have formula a minus b into a plus b. So we have a square minus b square becomes 4 square, 2 2s are 4 minus iota square, where value of iota square is minus 1. So 4 plus 1 gives 5. Imaginary part of 1 by 5 is 0, because here 1 by 5, in this 1 by 5 we have no term with iota. So imaginary part of the given fraction is 0, which is required answer. Thank you, students.